Hello, this is Mr. Reality from Codor Web Design with your first JavaScript tutorial. Well, this isn't necessarily a tutorial. We're just going over the introduction of JavaScript because you need a foundation before you start learning. First, the things you need to know, which you probably need to know HTML because you really can't use JavaScript without a web page. You need to know CSS, because a little styling never hurt anyone. Not required, but highly useful and pleasing to the eye. Now, JavaScript is not Java. JavaScript is a scripting language used client-side on the web. Java is a full-featured programming language. We're definitely going over JavaScript in this course. JavaScript is not a server-side language. Like I said before, JavaScript can be turned off within the web browser and can't access the server. For this reason, it should never be used as a security purpose. JavaScript is widely used. Almost all web designers and web developers are required, and even the ones that aren't need to know JavaScript, or at least the basics of it. Who is this course for? This course is for anyone from beginners to intermediate and later on advanced, because anyone that hasn't ever used JavaScript will be just as comfortable as someone advanced in JavaScript. Here are some tools you need. All of the tools you will need to program in JavaScript are completely free. First, you'll need a browser. I suggest Google Chrome because, it's fast, doesn't use a lot of resources. But any web browser, at least any modern ones, should be able to handle JavaScript code. You'll also need a text editor. If you're on Windows, like I am, Notepad++ is a good one, and that's the one I'll be using. And if you're on Mac, BB-Edit is a good one. They both have syntax highlighting, which can be useful. You might need a debugger. This is not required, but is useful because it can help you find errors in your code faster. Firebug is the best one, but I will cover that in a later tutorial. I normally don't use a debugger, but for this tutorial I will teach you how to use one. And really, that's all you need to know to learn about JavaScript. And remember, I'll put a link to a video showing you how to install Notepad++, and if you're on Mac, I don't have a Mac, so you'll have to look up stuff online. Well, hope you learned something. Goodbye for now.